AC cord with plug. AC cord is used to connect a device to a source 110-220 VAC. You can check for continuity using analog multimeter, RX1, or digital multimeter select ringing function for buzzer. Put red test probe to one end and black test probe to other end. Having a continuity or beep sound means good. Fuse and fuse holder. Fuse controls the flow of electricity in a top-loading machine, as it mainly prevents overheating and other trouble that is caused by too much current at one time. You can check for the continuity by measuring it end to end. Fuse holder embody fuses safely in electrical circuits and guaranteeing a robust path. Timer. It has a contact point inside, coming from a source, either line 1 or line 2. It will create a contact that will go to the opposite direction once the timer is switched. It contains parts such as contacts, gears, and a motor. The timer controls the washer's operation through wash cycles. Capacitor. The higher the capacitance, the lower the resistance. The lower the capacitance, the higher the resistance. Capacitor is used to start the motor by increasing torque for few moments. Once the motor is running, the capacitor then disconnect, allowing the washer to start and stop as necessary. Wash motor. The motor agitates the drum both forward and reverse by switching the field winding. It's combined with agitator or disc that turns the drum that produces rotator motion. It functions by turning the shaft attached to it. Here I will show you how to check for the resistance. First, let's get the resistance of 1 and 2. As you can see on our multimeter, it has 44.3 resistance. Now let's check the resistance of 1 and 3. It has 89.1 resistance. Lastly, let's check for the resistance of 2 and 3. It has 45.5 resistance. Let's have a recap on the results we got. The pins 1 and 2 has a resistance of 44.2 ohms. The pins 1 and 3 has a resistance of 89.1 ohms. The pins 2 and 3 has a resistance of 45.5 ohms. Now, how do we get the common? How do we know which one is the common? We will be doing that by getting the one with the highest resistance reading, which is the pin 1 and 3, which is 89.1 ohms. As you may have noticed, pin number 2 is missing on the pin 1 and 3, right? Then the number 2 will be automatically the common we are looking for. Then let's go for the running. The running will be the one that has the second highest resistance reading. In this case, it is the pin 2 and 3, which has 45.5 ohms. Then, the starting will be the pin with 44 ohms. That is how you test a wash motor, spin motor, they are all the same. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, kindly leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos.